Juwairiyanas on the stage.
In 570 AD in Makkah. At the age of 6, he lost his mother Amina bint Wahab alayhi salam. At the age of 8, his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, who took care of him, also passed away, leaving him under the guardianship of his uncle Abu Talib. At the age of 12, he traveled to Syria for the first time with his uncle Abu Talib for trade. At the age of 25, he was married to Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, a wealthy businesswoman who was impressed by his honesty. At the age of 28, his first child Qasim alayhi salam was born but passed away young. At the age of 30, his second child Zainab radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was born. At the age of 33, his third child, Ruqayya radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, was born. At the age of 34, his fourth child, Kulsum radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, was born. At the age of 35, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam resolved a major dispute among the Quraysh regarding the placement of the black stone, also known as Al-Hajar al-Aswad, and his fifth child Fatima radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was born, and also his sixth child Abdullah radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was born. At the age of 40, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was granted prophethood, and he received his first revelation. At the age of 43, he began openly preaching Islam. At 3 years later, at the age of 46, due to persecution, a group of Muslims migrated to Ethiopia. The 49th year of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the year of the sorrow, as Quraysh imposed boycott in Mecca, and he lost his wife Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha and his uncle Abu Talib. And he was married to Sauda bint Zam'a radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, and also was married to Aisha bint Abu Bakr radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. At the age of 50, Isra and Miraj event happened, and a group of Muslims migrated to Medina. At the age of 52, he received his first agreement of Aqaba and also the second agreement. And the assassination attempt on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At the age of 53, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated from Mecca to Medina. During the migration, he took refuge in Thar cave. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mosque was built, and it was his first azam. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam arrived in Medina. And the people of Ansar and the people of Muhajirun agreed, and the agreement with the Jews of the Medina. At the age of 54, the battle of Badr was held, and the Muslims won the battle in Medina. At the age of 55, he was married to Hafsa bint Umar al-Khattab radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, and also the battle of Uhud was held, and he was married to Zainab bint Khuzaimah radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. At the age of 56, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was married to Salma bint Umayyah radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. At the age of 57, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was married to Juwairiya bint al-Harith radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, and the battle of Khandaq was held. And later he was married to Zainab bint Khuzaimah radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. At the age of 58, the agreement of the Hudaybiyah and the marriage to Habiba bint Abi Sufyan radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. And later he was married to Safiya radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. At the age of 59, he performed Umrah, also known as Umratul Qada, and he was married to Maimuna bint al-Harith radhiyallahu ta'ala anha. At the age of 60, the Battle of Muta happened and the conquest of Makkah. Later after the conquest, he was married. The Battle of Hunayn was held and the siege of the city. At the age of 57, his seventh child born Ibrahim radhiyallahu ta'ala anha with Maria al-Qibtiyya radhiyallahu ta'ala anha, and the Battle of Tabuk. And his companion Abu Bakr radhiyallahu ta'ala anha performed Hajj. At the age of 52, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed Hajj, and he delivered his farewell sermon at Arafah. At the age of 63, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away in Medina. Thank you. Jazakallahu khairan.